We run into all sorts of pools, self-cleaning pools. This pool happens to be an old whip system pools. Still a lot of those around in Arizona, even Southern California, seen them in Texas as well. And they had a whip system in it where basically these whips came out of these holes, these return holes, and they stir up the pot and it's technically made for it to self-clean. They're terrible systems. They never really work very well. You can't get replacement parts, but they leave them open. They're open in a loop. So when you get to a pool and you see a whole bunch of returns that don't look quite like returns, just like threaded wall fittings, that's usually a whip system. Here, this thing hasn't been used in forever, but they were left open. We found a leak in one of the heads right behind the wall. Take a look and see how we got it done. So when we come up on a swimming pool and we see a homemade autofill type stand, this probably once had a float in there with a ball. So it allows water to come from the hose, float drops, fills the pool. So when you're doing those leak detections, open your eyes, pay attention. Look for things that stand out that make you take a deeper look into what you're looking for. So now we're going to walk the pool. We're going to do just a visual inspection. We're going to check out the equipment, check backwash lines. We're going to run the system. Here we got some aerator water. We have a system that's not balanced right, so it's not blowing equally. We're going to look in our skimmer, check our skimmer seams. We're looking for previous repairs. Then we break out our equipment. We're going to listen in skimmers, skimmer seams. Then we're going to walk the pool, and we notice we're going to listen to these returns. We're going to listen to these old whip system lines that this pool once had. When we look around, we want to look around for protrusions or anything that we have to listen to. We just listen to the steps. We're going to listen to the light and treat it like a clock. We're going to drop and drag our mic over the main drain. We're hearing our leak at this loudest point. We're going to then take our pipe mic and we're going to push it into the pipe until we get over the loudest sound. When we do, we're going to pinch our wire, lay it out, and that's where we're going to mark the deck. So after we heard this leak, we checked it with our pool scope, we checked it with the pipe mic, we were able to locate it. Then we static tested all of our pipes, as we always show you in all of our videos, backed ourselves up to make sure we had no other leaks, and that's how we got this job done. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.